woke up and it's not winter anymore, but it was winter for a while. And now we kind of want to feel like a human again. That's the feeling we're talking about. My hair was red. It's not anymore. Because of the sky, it's so gray. It took away all the color. It's time for a spring glow up. Let's go. First time I was scared when it started to look this purple. First layer, not the roots. And I'm gonna have to wait 20 minutes to do the roots because they don't need as much time. And thank God, because I'm starting to get dizzy in there. I don't feel too good. It's cake time. Now part 2. It's been 20 minutes. I think one of the gloves didn't want to cooperate, but it's fine. I think I can do this part with one. No, can I? Ooh. The color. Looks like meat. Oh no, we gotta start with the purple.
Doesn't seem like there's an alternative.
So while we're at it, we're going to whiten our teeth. To the office a couple of days ago, and like at 4 p.m, like an hour before leaving, everyone started to be like, oh, I'm so sick. Oh wow. And like, you could have said that this morning. I would have went back home. So like yesterday was fine, but yeah, when I woke up this morning I was like really sick. I don't remember if this is 30 or 20. All right, I'm gonna clean up the whole mess I made. Okay, might as well make an unboxing. Oh my.
Wow.
Wow. Cute.
Wow.
Come on, Trinidad. Oh my god! Ah!
Let's make the same mistake that
How much is the surface? Is it included? Ow. Ow! It's not that good. Oh my. I hope it's included because you keep pulling my hair. So, I feel better after showering. So yeah, I'll be back for part 2 of the glow up part. What? I'll be back for the second part of the glow up. I'll be back for next steps later. Bye. After I dyed my hair last time, I got sick, so it's been a little over a week since last time. So I'm re-showered. I'm going to re-dry my hair, and then we're gonna do nails. Going to just fix this one because it's broken. And all the others I'm just gonna file. Pretty big. I think the smaller the number, the bigger the nail. A little bit of glue on the nail. Oh my god, I remember these are like so hard to press. If any nail techs see this, please ignore. Just click somewhere else. This is horrible. I think it's too hard. I don't know if I have another one. Okay, it's a very yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. And I can't, and oh my god.
No.
Sure this is gonna work. I have these press-ons. I don't really want to use them now, but they come with these, and since this is like only the tip, it's probably not gonna be great. It's gonna work for the video, and I'm gonna fix it later. It's working. Just gonna let it like stick a little. I am going to file my nails in the meantime. It's decent looking for now, but yeah, since I don't have the correct glue, I can't file it too much, otherwise it's gonna fall. But I like the base, honestly. I've always wanted to like just leave it like this. I think it's really cute. All right, so nails are done. I forgot to show you my hair. I just blow dried it, right? And I'm not going anywhere tonight. It's like I'm just gonna eat at home and go to bed. And like obviously it's dried very beautifully. I didn't even do the heatless curls. I just kind of twirled it with my hands. And oh my god, look at this. Like I'm not going anywhere. Why does it need to be like this when I'm not going anywhere? I love it. It's so pretty. Anyways, I was gonna talk about my nails. Like this doesn't look that great, but we'll fix it tomorrow, no worries. Nails are done, hair is blow dried. Yeah, I have scissors in the first drawer. Why'd you pick this one? Like you went out of your way to pick this one. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. I've seen so many girls do this. Nightmare. I'm just gonna ask my husband to do it for me. It's
pissing me off.
We're gonna do eyebrows. It's so hard. Like, I've seen so many girls both eyes at the same time. I don't understand. Like, I literally had a training in this. And I've done it on people. I had a client this morning, actually. Like, yeah, that was my mom. So for eyebrows, it's gonna be much easier. We're just gonna brush. And then you'll do the second one, you remove, and then you do product number 2, and then same thing, and then remove, and then it's done. Then you have to clean a little.
Et le setting?
What?
Je fais l'avion avec.
Okay, thanks. I'm not gonna use them.
See you later. Ironique.
It's a bit unprofessional though. Like you go for an eyelash lift before you touch it by head. You're not even talking to your client. Wow. We're going to start with like very moisturized skin. I applied some like under eye patches. I just removed them and moisturized my whole skin. And I'm also going to do like eyeshadow. It's like it's like white, but it's very invisible and then it sets later. So I don't want my eyes to look like weird panda-y. For freckles, I'm actually using a different fake tan because it's way darker and then tap only the tip so it doesn't look like too linear. I dip it, close my eyes, and do this. So I'm going to let this set. But anyways, I just got some lip stain and the fake tan has set, as you can see. It's a bit harsh somewhere, but we're gonna fix that with makeup. Ouch. What's up with this packaging? And there's more. You know, nail file is pretty good at this. Okay. Crazy. I wanted to get a lipstick for like forever, and instead I got this. Is what I used last time. Okay, but it didn't really last that long. It was 3rd time's the charm. I'm not a huge fan of the amount of plastic used. Oh my god, girl. Oh, I wish I was a little monkey. You know what, the little monkeys with their little paws? They can grab anything, especially my camera. If you don't know what I'm talking about, my camera got stolen by a monkey in Bali on our honeymoon. So that was very fun. I'm gonna, oh god, I cut myself. I'm gonna call my husband because it's pissing me off. Okay, there's one more layer. Jeez, this better be great. No, it's staying on top of that. Look at this. I mean, with the amount of packaging we have, I hope it would be like pristine. It's not. Anyways. Oh yeah, my nail fell, obviously. I'm gonna overline a little bit. This is the face when you look absolutely insane. Okay. I just refiled my nail and cleaned it. I don't know how they compare it at the salon. They do it like this, but it's very tough. So we're just gonna really focus on the fake nail to just blend it with the real nail. I'm going to remove this because it's peeling anyways. Okay, it's pretty good. So yeah, I'm going to just wash my face, remove the extra freckles, and get dressed. So these are like full freckles. I'm gonna try not to cover them too much because it's not the point. Alright, so that's it for the glow up makeup. I'm just going to get dressed. That's pretty much it. This is my outfit. It's just like a cardigan over this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Physical glow up is good, but don't forget that mental glow up is much better, which is why I have another video about mental glow up. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know down in the comments. Leave a like if you enjoyed. If you don't want to type, I wish you could type, that would be helpful for the channel, but if you don't want to, I understand. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in spring officially.